Welcome to another thing of Vrchat, where I will crash a lot and yell at encoding and probably scare myself here. As you can tell, we're loading into a game. It's you guys are going to recognize it. I've done it before, but never completed it because I didn't know what I was doing. Anyways, yes. Yeah. How are you guys? How you doing? I may or may not be a little bit hurt, but that's fine. Now we're gonna watch this as it slowly goes up, and yes. How you guys like this screen here? Yes, should be better than the last ones that I've done. Of course, I had a little help with it, but anyways, yeah. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I'm just sitting here waiting as this slowly loads. I'm probably gonna nibble on some chips as I wait. That means I gotta get up. God damn it, I gotta get up. My butt hurts. It hurts. It hurts, I tell ya. It hurts. I'm gonna pause this into where it's more closer to finishing. We're still waiting, guys. Still waiting. It's kind of paused on that one number there. Yes, I'm away from the mic. Might as well go make myself some food as I wait. Maybe some pizza. I don't know. Probably gonna take a while. Oh, now it's at 0. Oh, crap. Crappy. So, we're still waiting. I had to restart a couple times. I got myself some food. It's some of my dad's homemade beef stew. I call it mashed potato stew because it's really thick. Probably because he added too much tomatoes. Potatoes. Oh, it's hot. But that's how I like it. I like scald in my mouth. Get out of my hands. So, I'm just gonna casually eat as we wait. Oh, my mouth. Ah, my tongue burns. I should have blown on that piece, not eaten it like that. I'll wait. I'll wait. I learned my lesson. My lesson. So, I burned my mouth. That's something that happened. Yeah. I'm gonna pause it again. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. May take a while. But we're getting there. See? We are getting there. We're getting there, boys. We are getting there. Granted, it's taken a really long time. I've been sitting here for an hour now, actually. But, that's fine, I guess. I'm committed to give you people content. Huh. No, I swallowed wrong. Alright, anyways, how you guys' day going? Good? Okay, that's good. Thor, what are you doing? I see you wagging your tail there. Yeah, hi. Oh, you want to come over here, but you can't? Yeah? Oh, now you're just gonna go outside? Okay. That dog's smart. He knows how to open doors. We're at 5 minutes now, and it's still loading. Alright, well, back to pausing the recording then. So, my game crashed. That's why it's black. We're gonna go right back into there. Encoding, shut up. The things I do for you people, I swear. The things I do for you people. You're taking too long. I don't have patience. My patience level is 0. It used to be really high, but now it's just 0. What, do you want me to log in Vrchat? I have like a lot of accounts on there. You're taking too long. I want it to be instant, come on. Come on. No. Work. You better work or I'll blow a fuse. I will, I'll blow a fuse. So work. These are things I have to deal with on a daily basis, okay? Like, seriously. I feel like I just upload the 7-minute video as it is. Cause I'm just getting tired of this, man. Maybe I should start recording different videos that aren't Vrchat. Because Vrchat's a giant butthole. Alright, you guys didn't hear my rant, right? Hope you didn't. Wouldn't want to paint an image of myself as the whiny child. Oh yeah, I'm just kind of cutting myself as I wait, because I'm bored. So what better thing to do than to hurt yourself, am I right? That's what you should always do when you're bored, hurt yourself. Cause that's a smart thing to do. You piece of crap. Okay? Yes, I called you out. I know you're watching. I'm kidding. None of you are pieces of crap. This is a piece of crap, though. There we go. Now, are you gonna load this time, or just have me sit at the screen here? Oh, tired. My back hurts, my butt hurts, but I'm still doing this. For you guys. You better love me. I'm leaning back in my chair against my bed. This could fall any minute. Work, I just want to play a game. God damn it. And record said game, okay? Oh my god. So, I fell forward. And I was holding the mouse. Come on! Work! I should just title this video Rain Complains, because that's pretty much what's happening here. We just complain. Anyways, yeah, welcome to Vrchat, where you try to play one game and it crashes you 1,000 times. Highly recommended. Then again, I have a potato for a computer, so I can't really say crap on the matter. I was gonna say a different word. I just kicked my screen. That was smart of me. Already at 10 minutes and nothing really happened. You piece of shite. Now work! You piece of crap. Okay. Social. Full screen. My Spike is online. He's probably gonna wonder why I'm not joining him. I have my reasons. Plus I don't think he wants to be recorded, so yeah, alright. We're gonna give up on our scary game and do something else. Because I have 0 patience. And that's a fact. Yeah, why not? Let's type in half and half. Let's be just like Spike and F and AF. Yeah! I'll kiss someone. Listen, I say random things when I'm bored, okay? This is facts. This is facts. Fazbear Fright! Joy of the Creation! Joy of the Creation was fun. Yes, I played that before. Okay. Alright. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's go in here. Let's go in here. Now, Spikey loves Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. I've learned this because he made quite a lot of topper characters. It's gonna be funny if he just joins me in the Five Nights at Freddy's thing as Foxy, just to scare the crap out of me. That seems like something he'd do. Alright, anyways. Now we just wait a decade. Again. I'm trying to give you guys content. Said content isn't working, so here we are. Just talking to myself as you listen to the other side. Through the other side. I want to talk with you guys, honestly. I just don't like streaming. So I have to talk to you through the past, the future, the present. So, I have quite a lot of stories I could tell you. I could read you quite a lot of stories. But, that's besides the point. Okay, so my brother has a VR headset. I wish I could use it for this. My sister has 2 monitors. She's the brat of the family, spoiled, small. And then here I am. I got all of my stuff from my aunt's boyfriend. I got the computer stuff from him. The mouse from him. The keyboard from him. I got my TV from my uncle. I got the PlayStation from my dad after he fixed it up. Most of these were free. Like the TV and the computer stuff, free for me. The PS3, I think it was free, I don't know. My phone? No, that cost money. My sister, well, she got her stuff from money. But my brother, he paid for his stuff. I just realized I may be the spoiled one here. Because I got all of my stuff for free. But, same time, there was no money that was spent. Unlike my sister's stuff. Listen, I'm just ranting at this point as I wait. This is what boredom does to people. They rant. Hopefully I'm not connected to Discord without realizing. I mean, I'm definitely on Discord, that's for sure. But I don't think I'm... Anyway, so... Yeah, well, we'll get in there. We're definitely getting there. This is a lot further than we were with the other game I was trying to load. And I'm gonna keep it recording now instead of pausing it because I just... Anyways, maybe I should go get some more chips to gnaw on as I wait. I don't know. Maybe I should take my pills. That seems like a smart thing to do. But I want to take my pills. Alright, so I got like 2 pills here, okay? 2 drugs. There is fluoxetine. This is for my anxiety problems, alright? And then there is birth control for a different problem that I have that I will not say. The only hit you get is red rivers, okay? Alright, anyways, yes. We're waiting. I mean, we're definitely getting there. We're a lot closer than that one game. You see, when I go silent, it's because I don't know what to say. I'm not used to talking so much, alright? I'm usually the very silent type, who just listens and watches and not talk. That's the type of person I am. Now, encoding, I know what you're up to, you piece of shit, so you better stop. I'm swearing a lot, aren't I? I really need to become more family friendly. That's usually what I try to do, family friendly, but... Anyways. I'm gonna laugh if Spiky joins me. He'll be unaware that I'm recording, and it's gonna be great. I do that to my friends sometimes. I'll be recording, and they won't know, so they'll join me. And then later on, they'll figure out that I was recording, and they'll be like, I don't trust you. And then they just never join me again. And that's why I'm always so lonely. Most of my friends are always offline, so that's another reason. Alright, it's almost done. Oh, imagine playing Five Nights at Freddy's in VR. Oh wait, Mark did that. Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, I kinda gave up on the other game. I don't have patience. If you couldn't tell. Where am I? I can move. Oh. The characters aren't here. That's depressing. We need to get the characters. We need to get Spike in here, that's what we need. He'll be great at this. Hello? Yeah. Characters are missing, so it's not as fun. I want to be screamed at. Yes, I'm lagging. You guys aren't the only one. I'm lagging too. So I believe these are the bathrooms. If I remember correctly, girls' bathroom is over there, so that means we have to go into this one. Oh wait, no. We're a girl, that's right. We have to go to this one. I can't go into those. What's the point of the bathrooms if you can't go in them? Can I go in the kitchen? No? Oh, you're a piece of crap, aren't you? Is my friend on? No, he's not. Not yet, at least. Can I go in the vents? No. Oh, this is boring. I want to go in. We will just chill here and watch. Yeah. Yep. There he is. Okay, anyways, let's go to a different one. Okay, we're gonna do something else instead. We're gonna... That, yeah, we're gonna do that. That looks fun. Friends Plus, cause why not? Go. Alright. Already off to a great start. Oh dear. So, how's your night? Or a day? Or evening, or afternoon, whatever time it is for you. I don't know. How is it? Great? Not great? Kinda great? In the middle? Upside down? To the side? To the other side? I don't know. I need an editor so bad. I can't edit videos for crap. But I doubt anyone would want to edit my videos either. Looking at all the raw cringe behind it, they'll be like, wow, this person sucks. Plus, I don't think I have any friends that would do that. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my songs are cringy. Push me to the edge. This is not gonna be a musical like some of my other ones. Ha 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 ha. This is loaded a lot quicker than I'm used to. Alright, I should not jinx myself. That's the last thing I should do. First thing I should do is break crap again. That's what I'm good at. I'm good at breaking things. Like my soul and my heart and my arms and... I just realized I draw my walls a lot. There's a lot of drawings on here. I've just been looking around my room, at my ceiling, at my walls, at... Anyways. Here we are. Let's go look for Springtrap. Because I want to be yelled at. Springy boy! I'm coming for yous. Springy boy. Springy boy? Springy boy. I can't see anything. Can you guys see anything? I can't. I'm a bit lost. I have such tiny feet. Look at those feet. They're so small. Where am I going? I should have probably grabbed a flashlight. That would have been smart of me, wouldn't it? I don't know. We're gonna respawn. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Now, you see, we should grab the flashlight. That would be smart of me to do. Okay. Now we're gonna do that. Okay. Now we're gonna grab it. And we're gonna go in. We're good. We're gonna drop that. Guess we're gonna be walking like this from now on. We're gonna... This would have been better in VR, wouldn't it? Then I'd actually know what I'm doing. Ah, shit. I mean, crap. I made it out. Okay. Is that another vent? I don't know. Where am I? Where is this? Do you guys know where I am? I don't. Okay. So we're gonna step back and then grab it. Maybe. That's better. That's a lot better. Only took me 20 tries. Alright, into the other vent. And we're gonna go... We're gonna go backwards. That way. We're going this way. I still haven't found the bunny. I want to find the bunny. I want to find the bunny. Oh, we're back at the start. Okay. What's this? Oh. 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 Oh, oh. Oh, oh, yo. There's the Foxy. Foxy face. Go this way. We'll, bunch of TVs. Of course I don't got friends. Who needs friends? Go in here. Go over here. Go over here. Get back to flip up. What's my flashlight doing? Bunny boy, where are you? We'll go this way. And then... my flashlight's shaking. Go this way. And then... go this way. And then... run into the wall. I think I've gone into a giant circle. It's a pumpkin! No, it's Chica. I knew that. Look at that face. Don't question me. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's go down this way. And then this way. And then this way. Realize I don't have friends. Because who needs those? Now we're just gonna sit here. Where are you? You're in a private world, of course. Of course you are. We're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna go... my back hurts so bad. Let's go here. This looks interesting. Of course, I hate interactions, so... my legs, my back, my whole body. Alright. Ugh, that's gonna take a while to load, ain't it? Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna lean back in my chair like the smart human I am. I should just stop the recording here, shouldn't I? It's not like anything else is gonna happen. We're at 35 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna stop the recording.